Hi, welcome to our math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on radical functions and solving. In this video, I'm going to solve two radical equations. To solve a radical equation, this is a square root. The inverse of a square root is a square. Because it's an equation and I have to keep everything balanced, to undo this, I need to square both sides. On the left-hand side, the radical and the 2 cancel each other out, and I'm left with 3a minus 10. On the right-hand side, 8 squared is 64. I add 10 to both sides. I get 3a is equal to 74. Divide by 3, and I get that a is equal to 74/3. I'm not going to decimal. I'm going to keep it as a fraction. Decimals have rounding and error, so I'm leaving it in the simpler form. All right. The instinct tells you that the square root can't be a negative, and so you want to say no real solution, but there's this negative 0.5 out front that we need to divide by first. Now, you can divide by negative 0.5, or if you want to be really slick, because that's the same as 1/2, you could just multiply by negative 2. Knowing that negative 5 divided by 0.5 is 10 isn't intuitive, but knowing that negative 5 times negative 2 is a positive 10, I think most of us could get through that pretty quickly. All right, now we're at the same point as we were in the first problem. We have a square root of something equals 10. To undo the square root, we square both sides. We have 2.5b equals 100. We divide by 2.5. And we get that b is equal to 40. As always, substitute these numbers back in to check your work. It's a good practice to do on any quiz or test. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks!